Hello, we're going to start making the video for the C-clamp. First thing that we're going to do is create a part studio for the body. We'll make another part studio for the screw, and then a third part studio for the cap. The entire file or document will be called the C-clamp. So I'll go ahead and create the first one. We're going to be looking at this body. This U shape is facing the front, and we're going to call this hole over here the left. So I'll start a sketch on the front face, and you guys should be able to go ahead and just draw a U shape. You can just kind of draw it very loose at first, kind of going up, make an angle. It doesn't have to be exact right now. In this picture, the two tops are lined up, so the one thing that you can do is track this over. Okay, so that's a real rough version of what it looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and start putting in all the sizes. So start using your dimension tool. This is 2 inches tall. The bottom is 4 inches. This piece is 75, and this opening is 250, and that's 0.25. So this here, 0.75. The bottom is 4. From here to here, so I didn't click that here. Let me get out of that. Try that again. From this line to this line, that's 2.5. And this top piece is just 0.25. And then the other dimension we know is that the height up to this corner is 0.75. So this piece here is 0.75. And then this chunk right here is also at 0.75. So we'll go from this top line to this lower line, and we'll make that at 0.75. So everything should be black after you do all those dimensions. I'm going to get out of dimension tool and then use the fillet tool. We have 2 little inside fillets at radius 25 and an outside rounded corner at 375. So the first fillet is going to be between this piece and this piece. Radius is at 25. So go ahead and just click for that one and accept that size. This one over here, same size. So just do a click. And then this outside one from here to here, change the radius to 0.375. That was a double click. And then you've got your shape. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick extrude. It says the whole thickness over here, is 75. So 0.75 for the depth. Alright, now what we're going to do is a sketch on this left face in order to say where the hole is going to go. I am going to draw a point just anywhere on this face. I'm going to switch to the dimension tool, and it says that it is 375 down and 375 in. So dimension from the point to the left edge, 0.375. Dimension from the point to the top edge, try that again, also 0.375. Finish that sketch. And then all you need to do is use the hole command, which is a 3D feature, so don't do that while you're in a sketch. You're going to use this hole feature. It's going to be on simple, but you're going to change it to an ANSI. When you do that, the hole type is going to be called tapped. Tapped is when you're going to put threads in it. And according to this, the first number is the diameter, and the second number is the threads per inch, or TPI. So we're going to look up the size of 3/8, scroll a little bit, find 3/8, and the threads per inch, or TPI, this one happens to be 16. And then it's waiting for you to put the sketch point in. Just go ahead and do a click there. Now it's shooting all the way through this other piece, and that's not what happens to it. It actually only goes through this back piece. So here's a situation where we are not going to go all the way through. We're going to uncheck that, and we're going to change the depth to just 0.75. Let's see if that's working here. Not sure it's going all the way through. Let's change that to blind. There we go. We'll change that to blind, and then we'll change how deep that goes at, and we can leave that at 0.75. That's good. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. All right. I'm going to finish this video. This will be the C-clamp. What is this thing called? The body. So go ahead and change your part name to the body, and change your Part Studio tab also to the body. And we'll stop that video for right now.